I realized in the course of my life, hindi ko talaga kaya lahat. At pag ginawa ko yun, na lagi kong itatry to achieve that everybody will like me, matawa talaga lahat, ganyan, then in the end, I will drain myself out.
Fine.
One day, I just realized na I can't have it all. I can't please everyone. Gagawin ko yan.
Yeah.
Lagi.
No.
Mabubulok ako ng early. Okay, hindi ko kailangan lahat.
Correct.
Anuhin. Kasi hindi ko naman din talaga kaya. Alam mo, mag-diva ako doon na, ay, hindi ko sila napatawa, ayoko na. Hindi. Of course, natapusin ko yan. The show must go on. Ganon. It's just a realization na, okay, hindi pala lahat. So, meron lang pala akong mga certain groups na alam kong patok ako dyan. Kaya sometimes I say no also eh. Hindi na ako laging yes ng yes ng yes.
Correct.
Pagka mukhang, kasi syempre we have to feel good about ourselves. What did you say? Diba? The artist in you
Correct.
felt unsafe. Gusto mo, the artist in you is very happy.
And empowered,
Oo,
diba?
and empowered, diba? Ayaw mo naman ng magde-deliver ka ng hindi masaya yung mga taong de-deliveran mo. Kasi sayang naman nagbayad sila sa atin, diba? For our craft.